never really thought about all the hard work that goes into every glass of water. You pay a bill, water comes out, and everyone's happy. That's until I joined Dŵr Cymru Welsh Water. I'm a trainee distribution inspector. What does that mean? It means it's my job to make sure that clean, safe drinking water is there whenever we need it. Naturally, I was a bit nervous when I started, but I needn't have worried. I was made to feel welcome straight away. Travelling away was made easy because everything was so well organised. All I needed to concentrate on was learning the job. To begin with, I was away from home 1 week in every 4, followed by 3 weeks of training with my mentor. After that, the remainder of my traineeship was all on-the-job training. And the more responsibility that was gradually passed on to me, the more confident I grew within the role. You can never underestimate the importance of having a great teacher. My mentor was brilliant in demonstrating what would be required of me in the role of both a trainee and as a qualified distribution inspector. He answered any questions I had, and there were a few, and allowed me to put the classroom theory into real-life practice, under his watchful eye, of course. Sometimes it's a bit of a cliche to say every day is different, but with this job, it's true. One day, I can be learning about the history of the water industry and how it works. And the next day, you can be taking water samples, fixing a burst main, or stopping to have a chat with a farmer because his cows are blocking the road. You never quite know what's next. My day-to-day role involves seeking out leaks and faults in the water network and fixing them with the support of the leakage team. I may be inspecting assets for maintenance or taking water samples to check that everything is okay. A call may come for me to visit a customer with a query or issue, and then we're off again. Like I said, no 2 days are the same, and that's why I love this job. So when I go home at night, and I know how much hard work goes into every glass of water to make sure it's the best quality it can be, I think to myself, I helped make that. It's a pretty good feeling.